ERP Next has an abundance of features when it comes to the manufacturing module. It simplifies the management of your entire production cycle, tracks material consumption, and can even help with capacity planning and subcontracting processes. It lets you create multi-level bill of materials, or BOMs as they're commonly called, for your finished goods and your sub-assemblies. It has an extensive shop floor management process where you can manage all of your job cards, operations, and workstations. Subcontracting and material resource planning, which are two of the major processes for any manufacturing business, can be handled seamlessly. The capacity planning feature in ERP Next can help you optimize your workstations and can help you identify and eliminate bottlenecks on the shop floor. On top of all of this, you can view real time reports of all the job work being done. The manufacturing module in ERP Next is completely an end to end solution which can help you and your business scale up quickly.